Scrapy, follow RSS links. I was wondering if anyone ever tried to extract/follow RSS item links using link extractor/crawlspider. I can't get it to work. I am using the following rule. Having in mind that RSS links are located in the link tag. I am not sure how to tell link extractor to extract the text of the link and not to search the attributes. Any help is welcome, thanks in advance.
Crawlspider rules don't work that way. You will probably need to subclass spaces spider and implement your own link extraction in your spider callback. For example, you can also try this path in the shell, by running for example. And then typing in the shell.
There's some feed spider one can use nowadays.
I have done it using crawlspider. But I am not sure that is a very proper solution.
XML example from Scrapy docs and feed spider.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.